Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to convert replies of tickets into knowledge base articles in BoldDesk. Every organization's most challenging task is maintaining its knowledge base up to date in order to reduce support response time. Support agents should convert the gained information into articles to keep the knowledge base up to date, as it is difficult for some to retain knowledge acquired over time. As a result, BoldDesk has an option called Convert Ticket Reply into a knowledge base article that enables support agents to convert ticket replies into knowledge base articles. Now, let me show you how to convert a ticket reply or a note message into an article. First, sign in to your BoldDesk account. Then, go to the Tickets module and open the ticket to convert your agent's reply into a KB article. The relevant ticket details page will open. Under the Messages tab, select the message preference from which you want to convert. Then, select the ticket reply and click More Options, which will display the available options. Choose Convert to an article from the list. This will navigate to the Create Article page along with the ticket reply content, where you can add title and category. You can also fill in the information on other essential fields to create an article. Follow the link in the card above and in the description below to learn more about our BoldDesk knowledge base. And, if you want to learn more about the BoldDesk's article approval workflow, click on the link in the card above as well as the description below. That's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.